This is the East Idaho weather hazard briefing for Friday, February 3rd. So, two key points to go through today. We have a weak system arriving for Friday night into early Saturday morning. Not looking for a whole lot of snow with that, but a better organized system will arrive on Sunday, and that could produce some gusty conditions and maybe some snowfall accumulations as well. So looking at our satellite this morning, just seeing some high clouds passing through the region. Our weather risk outlook, generally little to no hazards expected at this time, except for possibly might be hitting some issues Sunday into Monday across the eastern highlands with that next system coming in on Sunday there. So looking at our high temperature forecast for the day, seeing a lot of areas in the 30s across the region. And then looking at our wind gusts for this afternoon, a little bit breezy up on the higher terrain and down in the Magic Valley, otherwise fairly light across most of the area. Looking at our low temperature forecast for tonight, generally everyone will be sub-freezing once again. Still pretty chilly, a lot of lows in the teens. We start seeing some snowfall starting to move into the region tonight. Once again, not a whole heck of a lot, less than an inch accumulation in Island Park, Stanley. That's like almost nothing. So wind gusts tonight, somewhat breezy up on the higher terrain, especially up in portions of the Central Mountains, some better wind gusts up that way. As we move into Saturday, temperatures still relatively mild compared to what we have seen. And then looking at our snow amounts during the day Saturday, just a skiff of snow possible up in the Island Park region. And then as we move and look at our wind gusts for Saturday, wind gusts still not too terribly breezy, generally 10 to 15 mile per hour gusts during the day on Saturday. As we go into Saturday night, we expect those lows to be once again below freezing. We start seeing a little bit of light snow trying to move into portions of the Central Mountains Saturday night. And our winds start to pick up Saturday night as well, especially down in the South Hills and the Magic Valley region. As we move into Sunday, our highs generally still expected to be in the 30s across most of the area. And start looking at snowfall amounts on Sunday, calling for maybe a little bit of light snow, mainly in the morning across the Snake Plain, Magic Valley. Not a whole lot in terms of accumulations. This 1 to 2 inches in Blackfoot, honestly, that's probably closer to around an inch. I don't know if I'd be betting too much on the 2 inches right now, but maybe inch or less there. Otherwise, generally light accumulations for most of the region during the day on Sunday. Wind gusts Sunday will be picking up somewhat with some gusts of 20 to maybe 30 miles per hour, especially up on some of those passes. Looking at our low temperatures going into Monday morning, once again, anything that melts will refreeze. Looking at our snow amounts for Sunday night, we're calling for more accumulations of snow, especially out across the eastern highlands. And, maybe possibly seeing some marginal advisory type snows up here in the Island Park, Driggs region for Sunday night. As we look at our wind gusts tonight, it is expected to be pretty breezy in the wake of this system as it moves through. So a lot of gusts in the 25 to 35 mile per hour range-ish. Sometimes our forecast models are a little high on our wind speeds this far out, so kind of keep an eye on that, see if those wind speeds lessen a little bit as we get closer to Sunday night. So just to summarize, calling for a weak system passing through the region tonight with a better organized system expected for Sunday. That concludes this morning's briefing. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know.